The exclusionary rules is a legal principles that prohibit the use of evidence obtained in violation of a person con- constitutional rights, particularly the rights against unreasonable searches and serious history. Doctrine is an extension of the exclusionary rules. It states that not only is the illegally obtained evidence in, in inadmissible, but also any additional evidence that directly stems or result from the illegality.